Welcome to Rainiel Studio. Today I am doing my own pedicure. So I'll just be doing the left foot just because it's easier to film. But basically, I'm going to start with soaking my feet for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to dry them off completely. And you can see the condition of my feet. I've been working hard, been kind of neglecting myself. So we're going to get all of that cleaned up and smoothed out today. But after I kind of go over everything, see where I need to apply the callus remover, I'm going to take this brush and apply that. And then I'm going to wrap my foot in this towel while I work on my toenails and cuticle area. So to soften everything up, I am going in with the traditional cuticle softener. And I'm just going to put a generous amount on my toes, all over my toenails, just to soften everything up. And once I get that nice and rubbed in, I'm going in with this cuticle pusher. So it has been a few months since I've had a pedicure, and I do have some base coat left behind from my last polish. But you can see here there's quite a bit of buildup on just my pinky toe. I generally keep my feet pretty clean and moisturized, so it's nothing too crazy today, but this is just the basic process, the same process I follow for my clients. All right, let's get into this callus treatment. So basically, I'm just going to unwrap my foot, remove as much of that callus remover as possible. And then with this serrated file, I'm going in with the coarse side. Now, you're going to see just how much dead skin I'm getting off of my foot. This is a great tool if you want to do pedicures because it is diabetic friendly, it's safe, and you can use it quite a few times. So if you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. Stop using cheese graters. Stop using those cheap little purple plastic, supposed to be pumice stones, and get you one of these. All right, after I soak my foot a second time, I'm going to go ahead and dry my foot off and then apply cuticle softener onto my toenails while I finish off my callus treatment. For the second go around, I'm going to use the fine side of the file. And if you need to use the coarse side again, you can, but always finish with the fine side because it's really going to smooth everything out. So after I complete this part, I'm going to clean up my toenails. I'm using this curette tool, I believe is what it's called, and I'm just going to clean up under my toenails. Once everything is cleaned up and smoothed out, I'm going to go in with this sugar exfoliant. So it is a mint scent, and this is the finisher for all of my pedicures. It's moisturizing, it is very refreshing, and it just helps to get rid of any dryness or leftover dead skin. And that is the finished result. Look at the difference. I do go ahead and moisturize with some cuticle oil that I mixed myself along with a water-based lotion. And it just got everything looking all supple, y'all. I don't have the prettiest feet, but I love when my feet are done. And this is the finished product, a nice natural gel polish application. If you have any questions, leave them down below and don't forget to subscribe.